Hello traders, this is the gold weekly chart. As you can see, gold is in correction since 2020 due to vaccine issues, and it make bottom at 1680. As you can see here, since then it was in uptrend, but it was in range bound situation. As you can see, it was in range in these two lines. It crossed this line due to Russia-Ukraine war situations, and then it followed an uptrend, and I shared this technical analysis already in my technical Telegram channel, as you can see in my description box. Let's come to 4-hour chart. In 4-hour chart, you can see gold was following this trend line. It makes support, then make higher high. If price come to 1919 or 1920, then you can take a buy chance for 2000, because Russia-Ukraine crisis is increasing day by day. As you can see, I put a short call on 16. Wait, I will tell you. 16. Here. Wait. 1960. Because it is the resistance level you can see on 2021 and November 2020. Then I short gold on 1961 or square my long position on 1961. As you can see, it will drastically down, then follow its trend line. If gold come to 1920 or 1918 level, you can buy safely. Hope. Okay. Please subscribe my channel and join my Telegram group which is given in description box. Okay.